Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. I don't know where that dart went just now. It's kind of freaking me out. So I'm gonna be doing a repaint of this little mini Nerf blaster. This will be in multiple parts. So in this video, we're going to cover prepping, doing a base coat, masking some stuff off, and then taking off that.
Today we're going to be doing part 1 of this mini Nerf blaster repaint, prepping the blaster for paint by taking down some of these logos and things. You can leave them, you don't really have to do this part. I prefer not to have all of this wording and stuff on there. And for the tougher, higher spots with more plastic, motorized might be the way you want to go. And then just make sure everything is smooth, then give the whole thing a scuffing so that it takes paint a bit better. Here we go, everything is dulled and scuffed so that it accepts paint a bit better. I'm gonna spray it down with a flat black. Just gonna do the whole thing as like a base coat, go back over and see if there's anything else that needs to be sanded. There were a few spots that I saw that needed a little work, so I did that, and then did a final spray up in the black. Now I'm going to be masking off a few areas. Essentially, I wanted the front of the gun to be kind of silver and some of the details. So I masked off everything that I wanted to leave black so that my next spraying of silver will just be that, just, you know, those areas. And then we get to do probably my favorite bit, and most makers' favorite bits, is taking off all of that masking to reveal your work.
What? Why is everyone looking at me like that?
Then what you want to do is just wipe down for any excess. Of course, took off that masking a bit haphazardly, and a lot of little silver flakes got onto my black. But anyway, all of that's going to be weathered, so I'm going to be able to hide my crimes. But just give it a good wipe down before you get started on the next bit of it.
This I'm gonna continue to work on. This is not the final. Stick with me, part 2 will be coming soon, where we're going to paint some more details and get this fully painted up. That's pretty much it for today, but before I let you go, I just wanna say one more thing. Roll the thing!